Hi guys, today with a very short-term special, as DJI has recently invited for an event that is upcoming next Tuesday, the 25th of April. According to the pictures they have shared on the website, it is obvious that they will reveal a new drone. Some of you might say, another one? Inspire 3 has just been released? But for those of you that are also going through my community content, it should be clear that this will be the new Mavic 3 Pro. However, DJI is not giving any details or the name yet, but after the leaks of the last days, the probability is pretty high. The video on the website and even on Twitter show a huge camera module with 3 lenses and a Hasselblad lettering, such as we have seen on the leaked pictures or the last days. The newly added camera is expected to have 3 times zoom. According to a fresh leak from Igor Bogdanov, the whole specification should be 70mm extra focal length, support for 4K 60 in smart mode and time-lapse, 1.3-inch base, 48 megapixels, 2.8 aperture, 7 times tele iris, upgrade from 4.4 to 3.4 and also upgrade to 4K 60 support. Previous leaks had already revealed ProRes and 1TB internal SSD, as well as a set of matching 4-level ND filters that cover all 3 cameras. Also, the drone should not only be available in a Fly More kit, including the DJI RC controller as we have it here, but also in a package with a more powerful DJI RC Pro remote. Personally, I hope it might also be possible to connect it to the RC N1 and to control it via Fly app on your mobile or tablet. It will also be great to have a setup only including the drone, as many of the pilots and drone enthusiasts already have enough controllers and bags. Also, until now, we don't know nothing about the price, but comparing it to the rest of the Mavic 3 series, I would guess the price will be a little under 4K in the basic setup and rise until around 6K, including controller, additional batteries, and so on and so on. That is a lot of new stuff, making me pretty curious. I will definitely follow the event next Tuesday and keep you posted. That's it for now. Let me know if you are interested in buying a Mavic 3 Pro or planning to have something else instead. Thanks for watching for now. Don't forget to smash the like button and drop me a comment below. See you. Bye.